Hello Top Squad members! So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-apply ng ating timekeeping using your ESS account. So log in your ESS account and then hanapin natin si application. After clicking the application, click natin sa drop-down na all and then hanapin si DTR update. So click natin si new and then sa OB borrowed, dito tayo magpa-file kung tayo ay nababorrowed sa ibang store. So, sample natin, ang filing natin dito is buong isang araw. So, for example, dumuti ako ng March 26 from 8 a.m. hanggang 4 p.m. So, make sure lang na meron tayong reason and remarks dahil hindi po tatanggapin ni system kapag wala tayong reason and remarks. So, for reason, since tayo ay naborrowed sa ibang store, ilagay lang natin dito na borrowed duty. And then sa remarks, ilalagay natin dito kung saan po i-charge yung ating na-borrowed na duty. So, after po ma-enter ang inyong time in and time out, reason and remarks, click natin si submit. So, kung tayo naman po ay may overtime, for example, may overtime po tayong 2 hours. So, from 8 a.m., nag-duty tayo hanggang 6 p.m. Make sure lang na sa ating time out is kasama yung ating oras ng overtime. Again, huwag kakalimutan yung ating reason and then remarks. After that, click natin si submit. Kung tayo naman po ay na-borrowed and then graveyard shift tayo, make sure lang na tama po yung ating date in and date out. So, for example, ako ay nag-duty ng March 26 from 10 p.m. hanggang 6 a.m. So, dito sa ating date out, papalitan na po natin to ng March 27 since ang out na natin is 6 a.m. kinabukasan. So, make sure lang na sa reason and remarks, nakaspecify po tayo na yon ay GY shift. And then sa remarks natin, kung saan po i-charge na store yung ating borrowed duty. So, kung tayo naman po ay may overtime during graveyard shift, ang ating magiging actual time out is kasama na po ang ating oras ng overtime. So, for example, ako po ay dumuti ng 10 p.m. hanggang 10 a.m. Yun po ang ilalagay natin sa ating timeout. And then after that, click natin si submit.